The sound of loss. The room is quiet, except for the humming of the sockets and the din from the TV 2 apartments down. A car passes. The tires roll heavy, slow into the night, and the lights on the blinds make this more of a prison, as the cotton remains cold. A shrine on the left side of the bed, lonely, cold. The solemnity of this night punctuated by the sound of nothingness. White noise, where once there were longing sighs. I hear the absence of your heartbeat, your mouth as it exhales, the blood rushing when both of us collide. But it is just a figment, imagined now. As you will never enter here again, and the sound of your loss is deafening.